I'm Tactical Supremo Man, and today we're going to learn about Airsoft.
I think I stepped in something.
Jeffy, what are you doing?
Are we filming crap?
I'm joining in. Huh. Darn it.
Jeffy, get back here. Today's Jeffy's third day on the job, and we're giving him this. This was $50 off of eBay. Don't know why, but it was.
Wow, is this a real weapon for me? You guys never let me get guns.
I wonder why.
Look at that. Man, feel it. It's heavy.
Jeffy, there's a reason it has safety goggles.
Okay. Make sure not to wear them. Wow. Look at this magazine. You know something's pro when it's like, looks like a
Shut up and hold the gun.
pipe. Man, orange BBs. Or yellow, one of the two colors. I'm gonna be able to pop so many caps or BBs.
I sense a terrorist attack coming. Hurry up.
Okay. So, what kind of feet per second do you think this thing has?
The box says 5.
Yeah!
Yeah, just about 5.
So how many do yours guns have?
It's about 350. Yeah.
This right here, about 1,000.
What?
This, about 2,000. And then this, about 1 billion.
That could kill somebody. Yeah, with hop up.
With hop up.
I feel left out. Let's go kill some terrorists.
Okay, do we get to shoot him again?
What does Jeffy know? He's the terrorist.
Okay, so we do get to shoot him.
Terrorist attack.
Can't cock this with one hand.
Jeffy, you're the terrorist.
What? Oh my gosh! I need a bomb.
Dang it.
Jeffy's dead now. Maybe not. Jeffy! He'll be back.
It's not worth it.
What kind of terrorist am I? Oh, please. Ooh!
Airsoft. The liberal media cut our show on my video source. Listen to Airsoft. Always have a backup plan. Today, we're going on a stalk. Ghillie up.
Okay.
That does not use my hat. It means get your own ghillie suit.
Oh. Okay.
Over here, cameraman. Go away, Jeffy. Nobody wants to see you do this. Today, we're stalking President Kennedy. No, wait, it's too early for jokes about him. Stupid liberals. Jeffy, get in here.
You can't see me. I look like a tree.
Who are we stalking today?
I think we should stalk. I don't know yet.
We're stalking Jeffy today.
Okay.
Jeffy, go hide.
Okay. You guys won't be able to find me.
We'll give him about 30 seconds. Let's get set up. Okay, let's do this. Jeffy, where are you? Jeffy's gonna be over here. Stupid wing. I'm trying to grab him. Not really. Jeffy's found his hiding spot. Jeffy, where are you? Ten points. Oh, I missed. Jeffy, I found your location. Move.
He's gonna get poison ivy.
Bam, in the back. Got it. That's how you do a successful stalk on Jeffy. I guess Jeffy's really dead then.
Let's go look at him.
Let's go check it out.
Holy crap!
Jeffy's back from the dead. Ghillie shoot saved his life.
Remember, always have a second plan. Always.
Okay,